In this video, we are going to continue with some of the other string functions. So, let's start from the function isDigit. So, I'm going to take a string that will contain digits, only digits. Then, I'm going to apply the isDigit method, s7.isDigit method that will return true if all the characters are digits. So here shift enter, you can see true is printed. What if I change this to characters, random characters like water, so there are no digits, so this will return false. The second one is the join method. Join is an inbuilt string function used to join elements of a sequence separated by a string separator. So let me just take an example. Here I'm going to take a string S8. Here I'm going to print a hello string and then I'm going to join. So I'm going to take new string, as strings are immutable. So hyphen or minus join. I want to join this hyphen and the string S8. Shift enter. Or else I can just call S9. Shift enter. Here you can see the hyphen is joined to the string. Now the replace method, which will replace a string or a character in a string. So here I'm going to take a string hello Ranko. I'm just going to replace. As you know, strings are immutable, so I'm going to create a new string. I'm going to take the string s10 dot replace the string method. You can use tab method, which will give you the method's name. So I'm going to replace. Let me just replace O with any variable. So S1, shift enter. As you can see, O is replaced with W in both the words. Now, second with starts with. It will check whether the string starts with a given character or not. So I'm going to take a string water is. I'm just creating a string. Water is in the bottle, and then I'm going to use a string dot starts with. Okay, I'm just going to check whether it starts with W. Okay, I'm getting an error. str not with. Oh, sorry. Type. Shift enter. Here it is true. So if it's a, then false. We can also use the count method for counting the occurrence of a substring. How many types of particular variable is there? So I'm going to give s2 dot s12 dot count. I'm going to count the occurrence within a string. So let me just count. Okay. So I'm going to use E. It is there 3 times. Water E and DHED and bottle E. As you can see, we can use the count function for counting the occurrence of a particular character. Okay, so it is 3 times printed. Now let's see the find function. The find function will return the occurrence. Actually, it returns the index position of a particular given character. So I'm going to use s3 13 dot s13 find. I'm going to find a character which is given inside a string. I'm going to find the L character. So it's in 2. So here H is in 0. Here it is L is in 0, E is in 1 and L is in 2. Finds the occurrence of a specific value. It is in second index position value here. So if you want, you can count. Now the most important method, split method. Let's see the split method, which splits the string into a list format. So let's take a string. So I'm going to use s14 is equals to my name is Ranko. This is my string. I'm going to split it. So s14 dot split. If you're not giving any typo, sorry, split, shift enter, see my complete string is splitted into a list format because by default it uses space to flip. Thank you.